This video is on what you need to do for Thursday. So right now we should be in Thursday's April 9th folder. So in Thursday's folder, you can see that there are 4 things that you need to do. The first thing is you need to do Thursday's Due Now. So I'm going to click on Thursday's Due Now. So there are 2 things that you should notice about this page. The top left is the tab we are on. It's called Info. That's where we're going to put the instructions on what we want you to answer for that day. So our instructions for today say, hello everyone, how are you doing today? And you're going to say, I am doing, or this weekend I plan on, To answer this question, you need to go to the top right corner where it says discussion. If we click on the word discussion, it'll take you to where people have been posting things. And I've tried recording this video 2 times, so you'll see that I've posted 2 comments already for you to see. To add a comment, you're going to go to the top right corner where it has a plus sign. I'm going to move this a little to make sure you can see that. I'm going to click on this plus sign in the top right corner. And now I can write a comment answering the original question, which was, how am I feeling today? So, I feel great today. If I want to add a picture, then I can click on this button in the top middle that says attach. And I can either choose a picture from my library, or I could take a photo or video and then upload that. When we're done, you're going to click the top right button that looks like a green check mark. Check. Now your comment, if you look in the middle left, has been added. You can like people's comments by clicking the like button, and you can reply to people's comments by clicking reply. Sometimes me or one of your teachers will reply to these comments to give you feedback on things. So I'm hoping that it's notifying you guys that, but if you do not get full points on an assignment, I would click on that assignment so it can take you back to the discussion and you can see what you need to fix. Like for the airplane video, we needed you to make an airplane that matched the one in the video for you to get full credit for doing that. I just want to say my top comment says I'm adopting a dog. I'm getting a dog. She's actually coming on Wednesday, but we'll be spending lots of time with her this weekend. So very exciting because I've never had a dog before. Now we're going to go in the top left corner and click the back arrow. We did Wednesday's Due Now already, so I'm going to go to the next thing, which says Google Meet class discussion. Again, there's some instructions on what you need to do. The first few things, like setting up Google Meet expectations, those are things that you should have already done on Tuesday, but if you did not set up Google Meet already, then you could make sure to click through these videos. And this is a slideshow to help you set it up. For period 2, we are meeting at 10 a.m. today. This is the code you need to join in. It starts with YCC. And then please always make sure to mute your microphone at first when you join in. Period 3, we're meeting at 11 a.m. And this is your join code that starts with Q and R. Again, please mute your microphone. So if you are in period 2, I would maybe take a moment, pause, and write this code down on a piece of paper. I already did that, so I'm going to close Schoology. All of you should already have Google Meet downloaded onto your iPad. It looks like a camera and it says the word Meet. So now you can see me 2 times. So this is what Google Meet looks like when you originally join it. There are a couple things I want to point out. If you do not want yourself shown on video, you can click on this camera button and that will shut your camera off, which is pretty nice. The one thing we want everybody to do is turn off your microphone. So the microphone button should be red. If you want to talk at all during the video, just like raise your hand, or you can type in the chat, which I will show you in a moment. To join our meeting, we're going to click meeting code. Thanks, Abby, for the tip on that. Then you're going to type in the code that we gave you on Schoology. So for period 2, this is your join code. For period 3, this is your join code. So I'm going to type in YCCVWWDWRX. And then on the right side, I'm going to click the button that says Join Meeting. Now you should be in the meeting. If you want to change, if you want to add captioning to your video, you can click on this button that says 2 little CCs at the top. That will hopefully caption everything that's being said in the video if I turn my mic on. So if you see now in the bottom right corner, it's captioning everything that I'm saying, which is a nice feature. If you want to chat, so you have a question but you don't want to turn on your microphone, you can go to the top right corner where it looks like a little speech bubble. And that will turn on chat for the video. So I could say, hello, and click this right button that says send. Now everybody can see that I sent a message saying hello. When we are done with the video, make sure that in the bottom middle, you click the button that looks like a red phone to show that you're hanging up the phone. If you get kicked out for some reason, there's this nice button in the corner that says rejoin, and you can get right back into the video. So that's Google Meet. I'm going to go back to the top left corner, click back, The last two things you need to do today. First, watch this video on quiz expectations. Make sure to watch the whole video so that you know what to do for the quiz. We'll walk you through the entire quiz to get you ready. And then at the bottom where it says end of Thursday, which means this is the last thing you need to do today, the top left corner, click back. The last two things you need to do today. First, watch this video on quiz expectations. Make sure to watch the whole video so that you know what to do for the quiz. We'll walk you through the entire quiz to get you ready. And then at the bottom where it says end of Thursday, which means this is the last thing you need to do today, you're going to take a practice quiz. And this practice quiz is worth 1 point and it goes into the practice category, not your actual quiz grade category. That's going to be the last thing we do to introduce you to online learning. Next week, we're going to start some real quadratic function content, which is super exciting and maybe a little bit scary. If you are in our foundations class, then next week we are going to be starting inequalities, which is also very exciting. So we hope that you found this video helpful. We love and miss you guys and hope that you guys are doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.